Hey guys, you can see it's really coming down. And the wind is just increasing like crazy. Look at the raindrops on my window. And look at the other window. It's also full of raindrops. And more raindrops are coming down. Oh my god! That wind was crazy. Yes, this is a thunderstorm for sure. Oh my god. Whoa! Like earlier, I saw a branch bend. Yeah. You guys hear that? That was a loud thunder. Yeah, the winds are pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. This is pretty crazy. I've seen a lot worse, though. I have seen a lot worse, though. Like Monday night. See you guys later. Bye.